Whew. Oh, what's that, sweetie? Oh, 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 oh. There. That was a little spook. Now she wants to get out of here. Oh, good girl. There you go. There you go. That was a good recovery. There. Good girl. Horses are spooky by nature. That's how they survive. And horses also respond to whatever perceived danger with flight, freeze, and occasionally fight. But in order for a horse to actually fight, instead of just dash, you have to really corner it. Their primary defense is just to get the hell out of there. That's why horses bolt when they spook.